Another way of allowing yourself to release your stress is to come into your 4-8 breath. So that means we are inhaling for 4 counts and then exhaling for 8 counts. It's not a matter of counting seconds, but we are just counting here. For some people, they might be able to extend into a 4-12 count where they will inhale for 4 counts and exhale for 12 counts. For now, we'll start with your 4-8. If you feel like you can extend to a 4-12 later on, feel free to try that out. So let's inhale through the nose, counting to 4, and then exhaling through your lips for 8 counts, and I will be counting for you. Empty your lungs out, exhale everything out. On your inhale, we count for 2, 3, 4, and exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, exhale for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's take a deep breath in. Exhale, sigh it out. One more time, inhale. And exhale to sigh it out.